Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something exciting, something powerful, and honestly, something that could change the way we work online. Automata, automation powered by Meta AI. So what exactly is Automata? In simple terms, it's the idea of using advanced AI tools from Meta to automate tasks that normally take hours. Content creation, customer replies, data analysis, marketing workflows, and even social media management. Imagine this. You wake up and your posts are already published. Your messages are already answered. Your analytics are already summarized. That's the power of automation combined with AI. Now let's talk about why this matters. First, time. Automation gives you back your time. Instead of doing repetitive tasks, you focus on creativity, strategy, and growth. Second, consistency. AI doesn't get tired. It keeps your content flowing, your responses quick, and your systems running 24/7. Third, scalability. Whether you're a solo creator, a startup, or a business, automation helps you grow without burning out. But here's the real question. Is this the future or just a trend? Honestly, it's both. We are moving into a world where AI won't replace humans, but humans who use AI will replace those who don't. So the smart move? Learn it, use it, adapt early. A quick reality check. Automation is powerful, but it's not magic. You still need good ideas, clear goals, and human creativity to guide it. Think of Meta AI as your assistant, not your replacement. Before we wrap up, here's something for you. If you could automate one thing in your daily life or work, what would it be? Drop your thoughts in the comments.